In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted form submissions using Jotform tables. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you manage a lot of data and may have at times accidentally deleted something important. So let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have the correct username and password so you can access your workspace without any issues. If you're already logged in, that's perfect. You're one step ahead. Now, once you're in your Jotform account, you'll see a list of all your forms. Browse through this list and click on the specific form whose submissions you'd like to modify. There's usually a button or link labeled Submissions, and that's what you need to click on next. This will open up the Jotform table for that particular form, where you can see all the data submissions made by users. With the Jotform table open, shift your focus to the three dots icon located next to the Form tab. Clicking on these three dots will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to want to select Trashed Entries. This is where all your deleted submissions are temporarily stored. In the Trashed Entries window, you'll see a list of submissions that have been deleted. Here you can select the specific submissions you wish to restore. It's quite straightforward, just click on the entries you need to bring back. After you've selected the submissions, look for the Restore button in the interface. Clicking this will move the selected entries from the trash back to your Jotform table, reinstating them just as they were before you deleted them. It's also important to keep in mind a couple of things about the trash feature. Deleted submissions don't linger there indefinitely. They are kept in the trash for 30 days. Once those 30 days are up, the submissions are permanently purged, meaning they are deleted forever with no way to retrieve them. So be sure to restore any important data before the 30-day mark if you don't want to lose it forever. And speaking of permanent deletion, there is no automatic backup for purged submissions. Once they're gone, they're really gone. This highlights the importance of regularly checking your trash and making sure that there isn't any irreplaceable data left there. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to restore your deleted form submissions using Jotform tables. Keeping on top of your data is crucial, and with these steps you should be able to manage accidental deletions with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your data safe.